There is something so satisfying about rolling dice, isn't there? The sound they make as they clatter, the feeling of suspense as you wait to see how you did. But how many dice are there? What do they all do, and how many do I need to even play Dungeons and Dragons? In this video, we're going to break down the dice. Stay tuned, adventurers. In Dungeons and Dragons, it's pretty standard to want at least a single set of dice. This one set consists of a D100, which is actually 2 dice usually, but you can find those D100 monsters if you really want to do that. You also have the D20, D12, D8, D6, and lastly, the D4. Oh, how cute. Now, for people who play in online games, such as through Roll20, most platforms offer the option for digital dice, and in fact, digital dice are commonly used as incentives for purchasing online modules. But no matter what type of dice you're rolling, the roles and functions are generally going to be the same. The D100 is usually a set of 2 dice. One has double-digit numbers in increments of 10, from 0 to 90. The other is a single-digit D10. When rolling a D100, you simply roll both at the same time and read the double-digit die first, followed by the number on the second die. So if it came up as an 80 and a 7 on the dice, you'd read it 87. Now, one special note is if you get all zeros, that's 100. The D100 is usually used for percentages or calculating chance, but it can also be used when rolling randomly on a table of trinkets or events. The D20 is your best friend or your worst enemy, depending on the roll. Seriously, they can be cruel, sick bastards. The D20 is the one die you roll for pretty much everything. You'll roll the D20 for every skill check, such as climbing walls, doing acrobatic tricks, or deception checks. But you'll also roll it when casting spells, trying to attack, and on occasion for saving from effects of enemy spells. It's the number 1 die in the game. Rolling a 20 is called a nat 20 or a critical success, and a 1 is a critical failure or a nat 1. The DM can explain what that means, but basically 20 good, 1 bad. The other dice are most often used when calculating damage as described in spells or attacks. Occasionally you'll roll them for random abilities, but honestly they are more commonly used as simple math rolls. No big secret there. But of course, everyone has their own superstitions about their dice. For me, I roll all of my d20s at once, and the one that rolls the highest is the one I use for the game. Leave your superstitions or funny moments in the comments below. So do you need more than one set? At higher levels, the extra dice become helpful, but I know some players that love rolling one set because it's their chosen weapon for that day, if you will. I hope this helped explain the dice a little more and makes you want to go get your own set. I know I want to get some more. I have a problem. Help. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.